Hi. Have you ever had one of those homeschooling days where everything is going just right and then you see something that's a little out of order? Like maybe your child is struggling to tie their shoes and you go, oh my goodness, I cannot believe that I forgot to teach my kid how to tie their shoes. So today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about an online platform called SkillTruck that's going to help you remember some of those skills. My name is Neches Phelps and I am with the SPED Homeschool Review Crew. All right, so SkillTruck, that's S-K-I-L-L, Trek, T-R-E-K, is an online platform that is very flexible and very friendly to use. So it has a library of over 450 videos that is developmentally appropriate for ages 5 and above. And these videos are short videos, anywhere from maybe 5 to 15 minutes. And they just kind of give you, they kind of isolate a life skill for you to teach your child or for your child to watch the video themselves and learn how to do it. And so I came across this several years ago because I was looking for a way to just kind of help me remember how to teach life skills to my kids. So they do have a sample and you can get that by signing up for their email list. And so every week they have a free life skill that they send you, right? So some of the life skills, for example, might be how to tie a tie, or even something like how to understand cooking measurements, right? But these life skills go all the way up through adulthood. I've seen things on maybe how to change a tire, how to introduce yourself, how to do a job interview. I mean, these are very important life skills that I think really all of us need to know. And I know that I could certainly use some of them. I don't really know how to adjust a bike chain, but that video is on there, right? So it has some really great videos even for adults. The price point is $20 a month if you want access to all 450 videos. And then there's also you can also do a quarterly membership, a yearly membership, or even a lifetime membership, right? And it will definitely help you teach your kiddo life skills.